Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unfriend your in-game friends on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to unfriend them. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You will see this kind of map interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to unfriend your friends in the game, you need to go to the Friend Center first. Here you can see the friends icon over here. Tap on it. Now that you're in the Friend Center, you'll see all the friends that you've added in the game. You can choose the friend who you want to unfriend. You can just tap on their profile. Once you tap on their profile, you'll see different options. Here you can see unfriend option at the bottom. You can simply tap on this unfriend option to unfriend them from your list. I'll tap on this unfriend. Once you tap on unfriend, it will ask to confirm if you really want to unfriend them. So you can tap on this unfriend button again. And there you go, that friend is now removed from your friend list. So it's a very simple process to unfriend anyone on Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.